Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a granny stitch glass cozy, and a little disclaimer, I did dye my hair a couple days ago so my fingers are stained, but just wanted to let you guys know that it's not dirt. I wash my hands, I promise, but it just won't come off. So today we are making this really simple, cute, easy to make granny stitch cozy. So yes, this is how it looks. I made mine for my drink glass. So we're going to need a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook and a worsted weight type of yarn that you have. So I'm using this yarn by Joann's. It is the party one, and I absolutely love this yarn. The only thing I don't like is that it splits quite a bit, but the colors are so pretty. Okay, so we're going to start by chaining 26. So go ahead and do that, and I will see you at the end of this row. Alright, so we are going to single crochet on that second chain from the hook and all the way across. So do that all the way across, and I will see you at the end. Alright, so now we are going to start doing our granny stitch. We're going to chain 3, turn our work, and in that same stitch we are going to make a double crochet. Alright, so now we skip 2 stitches and we make 3 double crochets in the next stitch. And that is our pattern repeat for this row. Skip 2 and then 3 double crochets in the next stitch. So we're going to be doing this all the way across until you get to the last 3 stitches, and I will show you how to finish this row. I'm here at my last 3 stitches, so I skipped 2, and in that very last one we are going to place 2 double crochets, because at the beginning of a row we have 2 double crochets, so we have to do the same at the end of this row. Alright, so this is how it looks. Now our next row we are going to chain 3, and this time we are not going to double crochet in that same stitch. We're going to go straight to that chain space and make 3 double crochets. And this is the repeat for this row. We're going to make 3 double crochets in that next chain space. And then we go to the next one and make 3 double crochets. So we do the same all the way across until you reach the end, and I will show you how to finish this row. Okay, so here's my last space here where I'm going to place my 3 double crochets. And because at the beginning of this row we only have 1 double crochet, we're going to place 1 double crochet on top of that chain 3, and that's how we finish this row. So this is row number 3. So for now on, we're going to be alternating row 2 and 3 until we have our desired length. So I'm going to chain 3 again, turn my work, and make 1 double crochet in that same stitch. Okay, then I go to that next chain space, then that one, and we're going to be placing 3 double crochets in every chain space. All right, so we just repeat rows 2 and 3 until we have our desired length. And here I'm just going to place my last 2 double crochets in that last chain space. All right, so like I said, just alternate rows. So now I'm going to chain 3 and then skip to that chain space and do it all over again, you guys. So that is pretty much it. I did 7 rows on mine, I believe. This is how it looks. So now we're just going to tie off our yarn and get our yarn needle and start closing our cozy. So I'm just going to fold mine in half, grab my yarn needle, and start whip stitching my project. So I just start sewing all the way across. I make sure I grab the stitches from the 2 sides, make sure they're evenly. So yeah, you guys, I just, is it called whip stitch or mattress stitch? I'm not sure, but if you have another way to close your projects, you can go ahead and do that, but I always like to do this. So yeah, I just start sewing all the way across until I reach to the very end. And here I'm just closing my very last stitches. And once I do that, you guys, I like to tie these 2 strands together a couple of times just to make it extra secure. And then after that, I'll just cut my yarn and leave it like that. Alrighty, you guys, so we made it. I'm just going to fold mine inside out because I think the seam looks way better like that. And I just like to leave it to the side so it makes it better, makes it look better. So that is how it looks. And the single crochet under here is gonna make it stay on your glass. So mine, I specifically designed this for this type of glass where the bottom, it will hold on the bottom. So I just stick my glass through the top like that. And then that single crochet is going to make it hold it. So that's how it looks. And it fits perfectly, you guys. So if you have a glass similar to this, it's going to be perfect, but I'm sure you can also use it for a coffee cozy. But yeah, I think it looks so cute and it is really helpful when you're drinking cold drinks. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you on my next video. Bye!